Good day, my people. Good day, everyone. Good day, my followers. It's your ancestral Dibia, Uche, Igbo Uche. I brought a message today. If you watch very well, you see that the weather is hot here. I should be inside by now, but my spirit led me outside to bring this teaching. If you watch closely, you will see this plant. It's called the miracle plant. Some people call it miraculous leaf. I believe they are the same. If you watch very well, this plant is very mysterious, that wherever place it steps, it expands. It grows rapidly. As you can see them here, they started with just one stem, just a stem. I dug the ground and I put it inside. Before I knew it, everywhere was covered. Everywhere is covered right now. If you watch closely, you see some leaves from the plant that fell over the fence, has created another domain here. If you watch very well, you see them. I never planted any of them there, but the ones that fell down from the ones I have inside here led to this. If you watch now, you see all of them, all of it. So I brought a message about this plant that will be helpful in our daily lives. If there is anywhere you can get these plants, it's good to have these plants close to you, where you live, because the plant is so powerful that it heals, it repels negativity around you. If you can get just a leaf from it, just like this, look for a conducive place where water can be touching it, where it can be having direct sunlight. You can as well look for where any place you know that it will be conducive enough, and place this leaf there. You don't even have to dig it, just this leaf, place it on the ground. Before you come back in a few days time, you see that place, the leaf have started producing a stem, start producing roots. The message I brought today is how you can use these plants for your miracle. It has a lot of things which it does, but I'm giving this out. This one, it will be very useful in our everyday, in our daily life. If you can get enough of these plants, look for pounded a mortar and pound it. Whereby you cannot get a mortar, you can get a blender. If you have blender in your home, you extract the water from the plant and be using it to bathe, be adding it in your bathing water. When you add it in your bathing water, you get alligator pepper. This is alligator pepper. This one have been tampered with. I guess there are still some seeds of alligator pepper inside. I guess the seeds are still inside. You can see them falling out. Just one seed is enough. Then you pour it in you put it in your water, then you bathe. Any day or any time you do this, it should not last for more than 3 days. Make sure you finish the water before 3 days. Then after 3 days, you wait for some time If you can be repeating it steady, so it's good, it's okay. For those of you that know where you can get enough of this. But after 3 days, you wait for some time, you get it again, and you do it again. It helps. Even when you want to go for an interview, when you're going to seek for job, you're going to seek for contracts, as you are baiting with it, you say wherever place you go, wherever others go and fail, that you will go there and succeed. If you watch now, you see some dry leaves around. All these dry leaves are from this mango tree. They get dried, they get weak, and they fall down, and they just die. But this leaf, it doesn't die like that. When it gets weak and fall off from the stem, it starts germinating. It starts producing stem, it starts producing roots from where it fell on. If you watch closely, you see some of them close to the ground. In a few days time, when you come back, you will notice that they have started producing roots and stems from there. So as you are praying, you say wherever others go and fail, that you will go and succeed. You put the drop of the water inside your bathing water. It doesn't matter how many times you bathe for the day. You can bathe as many as you can, but the extracted one you've produced that day, do not use it for more than 3 days. When you're going to work in the morning, you use it. When you want to sleep, after your daily activity, you bathe and sleep. Do it for 3 days. Each bathing, you add just 1 seed. You don't need much, just 1 seed of alligator pepper. You speak your good intentions in it and throw it inside the water and bathe. Okay? Now, let me tell you something. Before you start this exercise, I want you to get me this, an egg. This is a native egg. This is a native egg from our local fowl. You first of all use this egg to cleanse off jinx and hex, to cleanse off whatever setback in your life, to cleanse off negativity, to cleanse off negative energy in your life. You use this egg to pray against whatever thing that will make this exercise you're about to partake on not to yield that fruit. That you are using this egg to cleanse it off from your head to your toe. After you've done this, go out to the road and smash this egg on the ground. When smashing the egg, you have to extend your hand so that when you smash the egg on the ground, it will not splash back at you. It will not splash back and touch you. So you have to throw it a little bit far from where you stand on. Okay? Then you come inside and start extracting the water, just as I told you. Your what is it called? Your blender can do it. If you don't have mortar to pound and sieve, after you must have blended, then you sieve out the water. You can also drink. You can also add it in your drinking water. You can also drink from it. Yes, you can also drink from it. Pray your intention and also drink from it, and use it to bathe morning and night. Do this for 3 days. After you must have used this egg to cleanse negative energy in your parts, then start this exercise. 3 days and see. So I'm stopping here. The weather is so hot. I need to go inside right now. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. Support me by subscribing and by liking and dropping your comments if there is any question you have. Okay, I'll be dropping more of this here, so please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Thank you. Whatever thing is your heart desire will be granted. Thank you so much. Thank you.